We'll get to that story in just a moment, but first, some breaking news right now. We are waiting for an outpouring of love for a Harris County deputy who was murdered at this gas station. We have some pictures from Chopper 2 above. What we're expected to see is a rally in the next couple of minutes being held for Deputy Darren Goforth at the Chevron gas station, again, where he was killed. The rally will come at the heels of a court decision made just hours ago. The man accused of killing the deputy has been found incompetent to stand trial. Good evening, I'm Lauren Freeman.
And I'm Bill Bianca. Thank you for joining us. Results of a second psychological evaluation, this time by the prosecution, says Shannon Miles is unstable. Miles was accused of gunning down Harris County Deputy Darren Goforth back in August. After today's developments, he will be sent to a state mental hospital for treatment that could eventually lead to a trial. Tonight we have team coverage of the big developments, beginning with Channel 2's Sion Rhodes. She was in the courtroom as the results were revealed today. Sion?
And this is yet another setback in a case that many thought was going to be a slam dunk. It could now be at least 7 months before Shannon Miles is ready to go to trial. Defense experts had already decided Shannon Miles was not competent to stand trial, but the state got a second opinion that came to the same conclusion.
We are in agreement based on our Harris County mental health and mental retardation doctors that agreed with Mr. Miles' expert that he's currently incompetent.
Key word, currently. Prosecutors want Miles to spend 4 months getting treatment at a state mental facility.
The doctors there will work with him to towards restoring his competency so we can move forward in trial.
But Miles is number 62 on the hospital's waiting list. So for now, he'll remain at the Harris County Jail.
We don't feel like they have the manpower, the expertise or the facilities to start restoration of competency. That's the job of the state hospital.
Doctors diagnosed Miles as schizophrenic and an episodic psychotic. Prosecutors say he shot and killed Deputy Darren Goforth at this West Road gas station last August.
You know, he's aware of the fact that he's charged with capital murder, but it doesn't resonate. In other words, he doesn't fully grasp or understand how severe that is.
And prosecutors characterize this as just another part of the process, so they're certainly downplaying it and saying that they are confident that doctors will be able to restore Shannon Miles to competency so they can move forward with this case. Reporting live downtown, Sion Rhodes, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Sion. Today's decision will cause a significant delay, as Sion said, to the trial. And tonight, many in law enforcement are calling this delay a delay in justice. Jennifer Bauer continues our team coverage. She's joining us live from where a rally is set to begin at the gas station where Deputy Goforth was murdered. Jen?
You know, people all over Houston have really been following the developments of this case very closely for the last 6 months, but that is especially true for the people who live in this community. At the corner of West and Telge Roads, there is still a small memorial in honor of Deputy Darren Goforth, and his name remains on pump number 8, where he was shot and killed. Today, Sonia Banks stopped to fill up, not even realizing this is where that tragic crime happened almost 6 months ago.
It's very sad. I don't know what else I could possibly tell you, other than that you're talking about it, making me emotional about it.
Shannon Miles is the accused cop killer. News that he has been found incompetent to stand trial has started to spread across the community. People like Kimberly Hall take it very personally. She was a volunteer who sat at this Chevron station for weeks, collecting donations for the Goforth family. She feels a real connection to this case and is upset that Miles won't stand trial, at least not now.
My heart just sunk. I mean, it's not fair to the Goforth family. It's not fair to Harris County Sheriff's Office. It's not fair to anybody that wears the badge.
In a statement, the Harris County Sheriff's Office said, "We are disappointed by the news, but remain hopeful that the state will restore Shannon Miles' competency promptly so justice can be sought." And the deputy's organization said it respects the decision by the Harris County District Court in this case. We have faith in the judicial process and believe that justice will be served in time. And most of the people that we spoke to today said the same thing. Their hearts are really going out to Deputy Goforth's family today. We're live tonight. I'm Jennifer Bauer, KPRC, Channel 2 News.